G'day, welcome back. So yeah, I've already started this job. I finished this job in fact, but here's the intro. So today we're doing valve cover gaskets on a, no, not on a tent, on a Ford Escape 3 litre TD, no, V6, and valve cover gaskets are leaking on the exhaust manifold, making a burning smell. So we're going to do it. Got a Felpro set. That's our part number for the V6. All of it's made in
China.
So yeah, let's get it done.
Oops.
Daddy, now PI, you have a black tongue.
Oh yeah, is that true?
Yeah.
Oh. Good job, man.
Ah, no!
Alright, so the intake's off, so you can see the back valve cover. Looks pretty grim. We'll just plug those holes before we drop anything else in the engine, and take the coils out, take the top off, clean it up, replace the gasket, wipe it back in. It's a grubster. How's that for an interesting wear pattern on the cams? This, well, one cam, you can feel it. The other one looks alright. There's an intake or exhaust, not too sure, but the other side wasn't like that. Interesting. There you are, both valve cover gaskets done, intake's back on, everything's plugged in, hopefully in the right spot. Let's give it a start. Unlock it. That sounds like a vacuum leak. Figure that out. Alright, found it. That goes under the intake there. Flipping vacuum systems. That on? Hang on, get it on. Alright, it's on. Try again. High hopes. That's better. Now we're at the AC on, we get that tapping noise goes away. So we're looking good. There we are, cover's back on. Now you'd never know it was leaking all over the exhaust manifold.